Okay, you guys, so hello. So I figured it might be a little easier if I try to do paint with me over here on video and then upload it to YouTube and share it that way. So if you were over there on YouTube with me, you see that we're doing a paint with me today. Of course, I might not get it finished today, but I'm testing out Liquitex paints, which I've never used before. And what I realized about the Liquitex, which you probably already know, you're probably a professional artist, I'm a hobby artist that sells my work. Okay, transparency moment. After this video, I took all that Liquitex back to the store. I did not like it at all. Too thick and like, ugh, did not like it. Super thick. What I want to do is I was already working on this over on YouTube. So now that we're over here together, now here on the video together, I felt like it'd just be a little bit easier. So I want to use the blue color that we have here. Let me tell you which color that is by Liquitex. That is turquoise blue. So that's turquoise blue by Liquitex. And when I was sharing over on YouTube is that, child, this paint is expensive. I said, well, good gracious, Liquitex, y'all gonna call me tomorrow or nah? Right. I'm just walking away to get a paper towel. So today I took a little bit of a break from social media, just my regular business videos, because I just wanted to be creative today to try to, you know, open up my mind. So I want this to be graffiti like this particular painting. So now it may not be graffiti like to you, but what I'm thinking is when I get done with it, it's gonna be graffiti like to me. And I'm talking about the type of graffiti you see when the trains are riding by and you're like, and you're admiring it, or either you're fussing about it, right? It's two probably different thought processes. It is damaging property, but some of it does look really good, but that doesn't mean that people should paint on other people's stuff, right? So I get that. But I do think graffiti art is a really nice thing, and I do think that they should do it where it's paid for and on canvas, not on the sides of trains, right? But nevertheless, if you are a graffiti artist, no judgment. So I'm just randomly designing what I kind of am, just free-flowing, right? Just free-flowing art, no rhyme or reason today. I don't have a design in mind. I just have these colors in mind. And what I noticed about me is every time I'm painting or making something, these are my favorite color patterns, like the teal, the turquoise, the fuchsia, the pink. And I asked the Lord today, well, what are we gonna make today? What should we design today? Hey, you guys, okay, so my mom had come by. Oh my God, I love my parents. So my mom and daddy came over. So I kind of have an idea in mind of what I want this to be called, but let me pray about it, because I knew I kind of had an idea I was gonna paint today. And I said, Lord, what do you want me to paint today? Like, what do you want me to do? And what do you want me to name it? So, my mom said, are you in here painting? I was like, yes, ma'am, I am. Don't mind if I do. So, here's that. Oh, let me put one more down here. Ooh, y'all, was a bug in here. And I asked my mom to take it out when she got here, and then she dropped it. And my carpet's black, the bug was black. Now I don't know where the thing is. So. Let me see, so that's pretty. So now what I wanna do is I'm gonna let it dry. I think it's really pretty, but I wanna let it dry so that it doesn't all run together, and then I can start to layer different colors and different things on it. So let's let that dry, and then we'll come back together. Which of course you won't notice because it's just the video starting over. Okay, so look how she's turning out, and I have hidden words. We have the figure 8 symbolism going on. We're not finished with it yet, but just wanted to show you an upside version of the one we're working on from yesterday. Here's one in the making. So this is going to be like a trilogy. So see how I'm tying in the yellow to the one from yesterday, but this one's still wet. So, well, obviously. I put water droplets on it to give it a tie-dye effect. So I'll keep you posted, but we're making more new art for our gallery. I'm hoping that I'm going to have a show soon. Working on figuring that out. Watching some videos to teach myself how to have an art show and maybe a silent art auction.